Most people think AI filmmaking starts with a giant prompt. It doesn't. It starts with a storyboard. This entire trailer came from just 5 scenes. Watch this.
For 30 days, an entire kingdom stood silent. Fear ruled the valley.
Send me your champion.
When every warrior chose fear,
Turn back, Kale. Someone has to stand.
one shepherd chose courage.
Sometimes,
History begins with a single step.
One shepherd. One giant. One battle that would change history. This.
Sometimes the simplest path is the strongest one.
Legends are not born from strength. They are remembered for courage.
Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you exactly how I built every scene using Google Flow Storyboard Studio. So let me walk you through the exact workflow I used. Start by creating a new project. Then open the Tools panel on the left. You'll notice several creative tools here, but for this tutorial, we are focusing on Storyboard Studio. Scroll down and select Storyboard Studio to begin. Before creating anything, choose the visual style for your project. Flow includes several presets, or you can create your own custom style. For this trailer, I'm using a realistic cinematic style. Click Get Started. This is where the magic starts. Just paste your story into the Script tab and click Proceed. Flow reads the entire script and automatically splits it into scenes, dialogue, and actions. Next comes the Assets tab. This is normally where creators spend most of their time, building characters, designing locations, and gathering props one by one. The good news is, Flow takes that burden off your shoulders. Just click Autofill on character, location, and props, and it generates everything from your script. Now we get to my favorite part, the storyboard. This is where your story starts turning into something you can actually see. Each scene from your script is already organized here as its own storyboard section. Right now, they're just empty placeholders. Now, click Autofill Scene. With a single click, Flow analyzes your script, characters, locations, and props, then automatically builds a complete storyboard with connected camera shots for every scene. And these aren't just random images. Every frame is created to match the story you've already built. This is the moment where you're no longer reading a script, you're watching your movie take shape. Now, if you don't like a particular shot, simply open the frame, rewrite or define the prompt until it matches your vision. You can repeat this as many times as you want until you're happy with the result. Now comes my favorite part, turning the storyboard into an actual movie. Start by opening the first storyboard frame. Click the image. Then choose Add to Prompt. Do the same for the remaining storyboard frames until your entire scene has been added to the prompt. Next, paste in your video prompt. I usually generate mine with ChatGPT first, then make a few small tweaks before using it here. Once everything looks right, click Generate. Flow will ask you to confirm the credit usage before it starts rendering. After you approve, it begins generating your scene. Depending on the complexity, it usually only takes a few moments. Honestly, this is the part I enjoy the most. Watching a few static storyboard frames transform into a fully animated cinematic sequence is incredibly satisfying. From here, just repeat the exact same workflow for the remaining scenes, and scene by scene, your story comes to life. And that's it. From a simple script to a cinematic trailer, all inside Google Flow. Just remember, AI can generate the visuals, but a great story is what people remember. If this helped, subscribe for more Google Flow tutorials. See you in the next one.